Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Angry Birds 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now, once you open it up, tap on the search box and just type in Angry Birds 2. Now, once you find the application, you can just go ahead and tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the Angry Birds 2 game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once it is done, you will see the play button. Now just tap on the play button and this will open up the Angry Birds game. And now you can start playing the game on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Angry Birds 2 game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.